Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up Google review request automation on autopilot in GoHighLevel. This automation helps business collect Google review automatically from our happy customer without sending Google review request manually. Before we start, there is one important requirement. To send Google review request, you first need to connect your Google business profile with your GoHighLevel sub account from integration. Once it's connected, GoHighLevel can generate and share your Google review link with customer through your automations. So now we'll see how the workflow works. So step one is workflow trigger. The workflow start when the lead pipeline state is change. So for this setup, I have selected a specific pipeline and set the stage is with deal done. This means that one lead has completed entire sales process and deal successfully is closed. So this workflow will automatically start. And as soon the lead enter in this deal done stage, the workflow will send a Google review request. In this example, we are sending email template and thanks for customer choosing the business message to share their experience. So this message also include Google review link which is generated and from connected to our business profile. So if I change my stage to this stage to deal done stage, so my workflow width is now triggered, as you can see. So when the customer click receive email, so they are taken directly to our Google business profile. If I click on the yes, any feedback for us, so this process is quick and easy for the customer, and so its automation value useful because it helps business to collect more Google review automatically, increase visibility on Google, build trust with potential customer, and improve our online reputation. So that's how the Google review request automation work in GoHighLevel. So and it is very simple and effective way to collect more Google review in our online presence. So thanks for watching this video.